We are Team Codebusters, and I am very much excited to let you know about our new platform, Kramik. So, Kramik is a new platform that we have developed with the help of blockchain and AI integration. We have used blockchain in multiple manners in our website. So, we have deployed a website on the render and Vercel. The front end is on Vercel and the back end is on render. So we are currently on the display of the Vercel, where we can go to our website. So you can see the login interface of our website, where student login and admin login are being created separately. So you can see our admin page, which is now being displayed. So we have a very much unique idea of putting a motivational quotes for teachers and students too. But here is the admin portal written, where you can and the admin name that is displayed for uh, the the person who is being signed in. We can also change this from the edit profile. Like if I do admin to teacher, so it will do just nothing, but it will update the admin to the teacher. Here you can see the updation of teacher. The name will be displayed here. We can also see the active number of students here in the database, and we can also see the links operated by our website. There are no links currently updated, but we'll be soon updating our links for the additional websites and other things. Assignments, the pending assignments, the health, and other tracking systems are also available in our website. We can also schedule a week. We can also schedule a data or a set of bunch of homeworks and something else to the students through this schedule planner. So we are going to create a demo schedule planner. We are going to write here CS code CSE201, and the time will be 0012, and here the time will be 0015. I'll assign the credits of like 10 credits for this. Credits are here being distributed to the students for encouraging them to get more interested in the schedules. And we are going to like Mr. Admin, Mr. Admin. The location is like Chipwood and something. And here we'll be putting the link which we are going to provide the students. So here is a demo created. Now we are going to create entry. We'll press OK, and we can see like we have pressed 2 times, so we can see the 2 times here is created, but we'll delete one. So we can see the schedule CS and previously scheduled TS. Now we can also see a AI assistant in our website, which is a local LLM model made by our team, which works locally on this admin platform. So here we can see the locally it's working very much fine. So this is all about the admin page. Now we are going to the logout and login in the student page. We are going to put the student demo credentials, and we can see the student demo page. It is a bit similar to the admin page, just the difference is this: like admin page can provide students a bunch of data and subjects and assign them other duties with the encryption of blockchain, which uses a smart contract, and it also uses many things that can secure the data, like record quiz submission. Like here we are using the credit points for recording the quiz submission of the students in the blockchain format, and we are also using SHA cryptograph verification 256 in our website. So we can also see learning bot also created a AI for the students for searching through the website and getting answers correctly and more accurately. We can also see assignment page, where if teacher has scheduled some assignment, we can see here and track them also, and we can see the progress. We can add the skills. So we are going to add a new skill like called Java. So here we can see the skill added called Java, and here it is telling us that like if we complete an assignment provided by the teacher, scheduled by the teacher, we'll see the percent of assignment we have completed here, the subject by progress, and the scheduled assignment to us, like we have previously scheduled from the admin page, the CS and the DS, we can see here and claim the credits for further encouragement of the students. So the credit has been claimed, and we can also see the credentials and other things, the schedule things, and this is all about the project Kramik. Now we can see the structure of our project, like here the backend, the blockchain, the Docker, and the front end, and some of the documents of our project, and also the deployment on which we have used. We have used Renderversal, we have previously described about. We can see this is the backend server of this website. We can also check the health of the backend server from here. So, okay, and we are using MongoDB as the database for storing the documents of our website. Thank you.